Sir, may I tell my sentence?
Yes, sure. I would like to hear.
The Rajya Sabha or Council of the state is the upper house of the Parliament of India.
It's a long sentence. Can you repeat, Parsh?
The Rajya Sabha or Council of the States is the upper house of the Parliament of India.
Uh, is there any conjunction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Very nice. Anyone else? By the way, we can prepare a very simple sentence. Don't worry, I will tell you. Okay, now look at the screen and you will find something which is already sent to the official group. First competition, that is CBSE expression series on students' perspectives on teaching and learning. Okay, so what is that? It is very simple, very simple. What you have to do, you have to write slogan or you can write poem. You can also create
Sir,
cartoons.
it's a primary section.
Yes, repeat.
Sir, it is for primary section from 3 to
Yes,
5.
this for primary section again you have also middle section, but topics are same actually. That's why I was saying that. Well, so let us come to middle school, that is class 6 to 8. Okay, so now what you can prepare? I mean, what you have to prepare? You can prepare slogan, or you can write poem, or you can create cartoon strip, or you can create meme. Now topics.
The
Okay,
cartoon strip matlab?
cartoon strip in the sense you must have read comic books.
Yes, sir.
Comic books you can see that cartoon pictures, so that is called cartoon.
Okay, 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 I understood.
So now topic.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what type of meme?
Okay, you don't have seen meme. Oh my god, just a minute, I would like to show you some meme.
Post.
Okay, wait, just a minute, which meme I should show you? Well, I have got a nice one, and I hope everyone will understand this. Let me share my entire screen so that you can see. Well, see this picture. Here it is written, teacher, beginning of the year.
सर हमारे ग्रुप में भी इतने सारे मीम्स डालते रहते हैं सब लोग.
हाँ, yes, पीयूष, you can see यहाँ पर क्या बताया जा रहा है, देखो शुरू में कैसे थे, बच्चे बच्चे ही रहते हैं, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द ईयर बच्चे ऐसे खतरनाक बन जाते हैं. तो ये जो इंसान है उसके सामने कई
Sir,
Raf-
sir, any restrictions
हाँ बेटा.
for this? Sir, any restriction for this?
Yes, I would obviously discuss on this. So, Piyush, I think you have got what is mean. So, when we express something in a humorous way, है ना? Humorous way में मजाक के जरिए से जब हम कुछ समझाते हैं, तो that is called meme. And you must have seen many. Nowadays our social media is full of memes. Now टॉपिक क्या है देख लो, एक बार अच्छे से टॉपिक देख लो और इसमें से कोई एक टॉपिक चूज करना है. क्लियर क्लियर. और इसमें भी कोई एक ही आपको बनाना है, आइदर स्लोगन और पोएट्री और कार्टून स्ट्रिप और मीम, एनी वन. टॉपिक क्या है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द रोल ऑफ योर स्कूल इन एंश्योरिंग हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल फिटनेस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक मिल गया है. ठीक है, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि स्कूल बच्चों का जो हेल्थ और फिजिकल फिटनेस है उसको इंश्योर करने के लिए स्कूल का क्या रोल है, मतलब स्कूल को क्या करना चाहिए? तो उसके ऊपर आप कार्टून स्ट्रिप बना सकते हो, पोएट्री बना सकते हो, मीम बना सकते हो. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है? डिस्क्राइब अ टॉप टॉय गेम दैट मे यू लर्न अ टॉपिक इन एनी सब्जेक्ट विद. Well, it happens that any topic which you have not understood, any game or any toy, must have helped you to understand the topic, so that you can also express. ठीक है? Then, as a student, which vocational crafts would you like to learn and why? Vocational crafts में क्या क्या आता है? Vocational मतलब जिससे आप earn कर सकते हो. Pottery, carpentry, tailoring, gardening, etc. Students can name any vocational craft aside from these as well. Yes, इसमें तो कुछ example दिया है. इसके अलावा भी और भी vocational task है, vocational crafts है. Even drawing, painting करके भी आज लोग कमा रहे हैं, काफी पैसा कमा रहे हैं. So that has also become vocational crafts. ठीक है? उसके बाद देखो, इस सब टॉपिक में से जो तुम्हें सबसे अच्छा लगे वो आप लिख सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. यस यशिता, टेल मी.
Sir, if you're choosing the meme topic, so only one meme we have to make.
Yes, only one name, and only one topic.
Okay.
Okay, then if you are asked to teach maths to your class, how will you teach the subject? Okay, so there is a chance for you to be a teacher. Pick any one topic from your math syllabus and write about how you will teach. So you can prepare a poem. If I can remember, Parsha once sent me one poem to remember any topic. Yes, Parsha, can you remind me what was that? Okay, I have to unmute you. Just a minute. Well, you can unmute yourself now. Yes, Parsh, what was that poem?
Sir, that one poem.
Yes, you wrote something to remember some, you know.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Yes. So you can use, you can prepare a poem explaining any point of math. So that is also nice. Next, then now it is time for science. If you are asked to teach science to your class, how will you teach this subject?
Sir, I found it.
Okay, yes, Parsh, you read it.
Active to passive. Active to passive. Present tense in active, am is in passive. Past tense in active, was were in passive. Will shall in active, will shall be in passive. Have has in active, have has been in passive. Had in active, had been in passive. Will have been active, will have been in passive. Am is in active, am is in passive. Was were in active, was were being in passive. Active to passive. Active to passive.
Good, good.
Completed, sir.
Very nice, very nice. And Parsh, you can use the poem for this topic. If you are asked to teach language as a subject to your class, how will we teach this subject? Pick any topic from your language syllabus and write about how you will teach it. So you create meme, you create cartoon strip, you create poem, anything. Which books you would like to add in your school library or you would like to read? इसके भी एक टॉपिक, अच्छा टॉपिक है. Write about your 5 expectations from your teachers. Oh my God. I think you must have many expectations. So your 5 expectations from your teachers, and that you can write in the form of poem, in the form of cartoon strip. Okay.
Sir, can we make it like funny or it should be formal?
It should be, it can be funny, but not abusing. You can understand, okay? I mean, there should be diligence. Okay. So, next, write about what is your idea of a happy school where learning is an engaging and joyful activity. So these all things, I mean, all the topics are sent to the group, official group. You can go through once again. ये तो पहला ठीक. नाउ एक दूसरा कंपटीशन है, ठीक है, जस्ट ओके, कहाँ से आ गया? Another competition that is again a nice competition. Where it is? Storytelling, yeah. Yes, let me share the screen. Yeah. So, storytelling competition on stories of human interest. There are stories of innovation, sacrifice, going beyond the call of duty, challenges faced and creatively solved, humor, finding joy in adversity, etc. The competition will be conducted from 10th to 14th February 2021 as per the following details. Well, so storytelling competition, you have to make a video of storytelling competition, storytelling, and the story can be your own story. You know what, during lockdown period we have seen many things. We have seen the effort given by the frontline workers, okay, doctor and police and sweepers, they had done a tremendous job. So you can create a story of your own. It can be a real story or it can be an imaginary story. So, of course, I think you are able to create a story. If you need any help, so yes, of course, I will be there. I will definitely help you. Okay, so that is nice. Categories, of course, we will come in the category of class 6 to 8. Now, themes for the stories. What are the themes? The story can be about a person overcoming adversity. That means adversity मतलब होता है बहुत बुरा समय, जैसे लॉकडाउन पीरियड हमारे लिए एक बहुत बुरा समय था, कोरोना का पैंडेमिक। तो उस कोरोना के पैंडेमिक में कोई एक ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी लिख सकते हो, या पर्सन ने उस एडवर्सिटी को ओवरकम कर लिया, उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी लिख सकते हो, कैसे उन्होंने ओवरकम किया, दैट यू कैन राइट इन योर स्टोरी। तो पहले स्टोरी को लिख लो, देन यू क्रिएट अ वीडियो narrating the story, ठीक है। Sacrifice and or going beyond Call of Duty. Yes, Call of Duty, it is not a game actually here. यहाँ पुलिस लोगों का जो उन लोगों जो ड्यूटी दिन रात लगातार 24/7 उनका ड्यूटी लगा था लॉकडाउन में, तो उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी लिख सकते हो। और कई सारे हमने देखा भी है यूट्यूब में या एड में, हमने इसी तरह के कई सारे देखे। Creative solution to a challenging situation. Well, if you see YouTube channel or Facebook hacking, या hacker क्या बोलते हैं उसको, hacks, sorry, hacks है ना, लाइव्स एंड हैक्स करके चैनल ही है जिसमें बहुत सिंपल ट्रिक्स बताया जाता है जिससे हमारा काम आसान हो जाता है। सो ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन एनी क्रिएटिव सॉल्यूशन टू अ चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन, इफ यू हैव क्रिएट, मतलब देखो, इन दिस यू कैन कोरिलेट योरसेल्फ। अगर आपने कोई क्रिएटिव सॉल्यूशन निकाला तो उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी लिखो। जैसे बोर हो रहे थे तो तुमने कुछ किया जिससे फन आ गया और फिर वो पूरे मोहल्ले में फैल गया, तो दैट कैन यू क्रिएट। फनी स्टोरीज ठीक है, एक फनी स्टोरीज बहुत मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है, ठीक है। There is a man who lives in village. So actually he was not knowing about video viral. Okay, he doesn't know what does mean by video viral. So his niece, ठीक है, नीस, हाँ उसकी नीस ही तो थी, तो उसके नीस ने कहा कि मामा मेरा ना एक वीडियो वायरल हो गया है। तो उनको क्या लगा कि वो उनको वायरस हो गया, कोरोना वायरस हो गया। तो मामा बहुत टेंशन में आ गया। फिर वो जो है रोने लगा। उसके बाद फ़ोन करके सबको तसल्ली दे रहा है, कोई डरो मत, कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसा करके उन लोग, वो मामा जो है वो सबको कंसोल कर रहा था। तो इन लोग भी समझ नहीं पाए किसको कोरोना हो गया। तो बोली हाँ उसको, मेरी भांजी को कोरोना हुआ है ना। वही तो बोली कि मामा वायरस हो गया है। तो वीडियो वायरल होना और वायरस हो जाने में मतलब कितना एक फन बन गया। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी यू कैन आल्सो क्रिएट। देन इनोवेशंस डन दैट हेल्प्ड मेनी। यस, एनी इनोवेशंस जो कि लोगों को मदद किया, उसके ऊपर भी एक स्टोरी बना सकते, ठीक है। और मैं आई वुड लाइक टू से कि इफ इट इज अ रियल स्टोरी देन इट वुड बी वेरी नाइस। सो ट्राई टू राइट अ रियल स्टोरी। अब ये सब गाइडलाइंस है, ठीक है। गाइडलाइंस में क्या क्या है? द स्टोरी शुड बी इन इंग्लिश इन नॉट मोर देन 600 to 650 वर्ड्स एंड शुड स्ट्राइव टू बी न्यूट्रल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है। उसमें कुछ तड़कता भड़कता या कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी वाला चीज नहीं ऐड करना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, द स्टोरी मस्ट बी रिलेटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टीचिंग, लर्निंग, आउटरीच, इंक्लूजन, यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एटसेट्रा, बेसिकली एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्कूल एजुकेशन, ठीक है। अपने स्टोरी को अगर को स्कूल एजुकेशन में कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं, जैसे नाउअडेज वी आर एब्सोल्युटली dependent on Zoom, computer, laptop. So yes, technology. Online class is only possible because technology is there. Next, at the center of the story, there should be a person or persons in the context of school education. Therefore, the story could be about a teacher, a member of the local self-government, a student, a parent, a volunteer, a school, etc. who did exemplar and extraordinary work out of the routine during this period. The story should revolve around these persons and their experiences. So I think you must have understood जो story है वो story के जो characters हैं वो कौन कौन हो सकते हैं? टीचर, मेंबर ऑफ लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, अ स्टूडेंट, अ पैरेंट, अ वॉलंटियर. So these are the characters you can use in your story. Second last, the story can contain dialogues, conversation, photographs. Oh wow, that is nice. You must have seen जो YouTube में videos आजकल बनते हैं, motivation speaker, उन लोग बोलते हैं तो बीच बीच में बैकग्राउंड में या मतलब स्क्रीन में कुछ फोटोज या कुछ वीडियोस आ जाता है. So that you can do, ठीक है, मतलब वीडियो एडिटिंग. At the beginning of the story, the name of the teacher, volunteer, etc. may be given only if they agree to give name. Names of students below 18 years, if any, may be given only the parental consent. Yes, when you use anyone's name, so you must discuss with the person ki, shall I use your name, sir? Like that. यस पार्श सर, मेन पेज में पे ड्रॉ करके बनाना है कि कोई ऑनलाइन वाला बनाना है? यस, यू कैन क्रिएट इन सॉफ्ट कॉपी, ठीक है. इन कंप्यूटर यू कैन क्रिएट इट एंड देन you have to submit it. And my dear students, you will get certificate for participation certificate. You will definitely get. Clear?
Sir, we can paste any clips of dialogue in our memes.
Like?
Sir, like sir, wait, sir, I am telling.
Sure. Adi Jain, sir, we are very much dependent in internet. In नहीं बेटा, on internet होता है, ठीक. So दोनों कंपटीशन, हाँ आदि हम लोग तो डिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं और ये गलत बात भी नहीं है क्योंकि हमारा एजुकेशन वो तो चलते रहना चाहिए, एजुकेशन बंद नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. Okay, so first competition, it was about slogan, poetry, cartoon strip, meme. Any one of these topics are given and second competition is storytelling competition. So yes, my dear students, you are mostly welcome, and I know I will see your work. Okay, so you have to. Okay, let me see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have participated in slogan before only.
That is traffic rules.
Yes, sir.
What was that competition?
Sir, slogan writing competition.
Okay, this meme is sent by Parsh every teacher ever in class A. This is the first class I have ever seen.
That is true.
Far better than him. And when the teacher is in class B, this is the worst class I have ever seen. Far better. Okay, that is funny. That is funny. Okay, but you know what? Through the meme, you must show a good concern. Well, yes, I think it was Piyush. He was saying that he has participated in
Sir, Vinith.
Vinith, yes, Vinith. So, when it was conducted, can you tell me?
Sir, Neil sir has told me, he has called me and told that one slogan competition is there. So
Yeah.
you have to write in a A4 size page a slogan and you have to send to me.
So, I think you must have got that slogan of traffic rules. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes. Those actually, those slogans are um, created by someone. When to submit, Maulik? Maulik, I
Sir,
think,
I was telling this like this.
yes, but, yes, just a minute, Kalash. Let me see you. Actually, the screen is not visible.
Sir,
You just hold the mobile and don't shake it. You can read, na? You can read.
The teacher.
बेटा कलश पहले वो कर लो, अनम्यूट कर लो अपने आप को.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's in Hindi.
हाँ, पढ़ो क्या लिखा है.
सर जब टीचर टॉपिक से बाहर आके कुछ अपने अलग ही किस्से सुनाने लगते हैं तब गजब टाइम पास होता है. तो सर वी कैन ऐड क्लिप लाइक दिस.
हाँ, नहीं मतलब मुझे दिख रहा है. ठीक है, ये फन हो गया. तो और थोड़ा नेगेटिविटी भी है इसमें,
हाँ यस सर.
है ना. तो नेगेटिविटी को हम लोग इग्नोर करें तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, क्योंकि ये सीबीएसई के वेबसाइट में अपलोड होगा. ठीक है, और हो सकता है वो पब्लिश भी हो जाए.
सर
हाँ, यस माय डियर.
सर वीडियो जरूरी है.
वीडियोस ऑफ व्हाट?
सर मीम्स.
About what you are asking, actually I'm not getting.
सर मीम्स बनाने हैं ना.
हाँ, meme is not actually video. It is a
Photograph.
फोटोग्राफ.
photograph.
यस सर.
Rather you must say photo editing. That is nice.
यस सर.
And for storytelling you have to create video. Okay, reciting story. And when you are reciting story, after recording you can add pictures on your video, like YouTube videos. Okay. Okay, today's class is going to over and we have not studied anything. Yes, would you like to see the would you like to see the syllabus?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
सर.
Just
Sir.
Okay, just
सर प्लीज.
a minute. Let me show you.
Sir.
Wait, where it is? Yes, I have got it. Okay, so you just start preparation on this. Well, So from course book you can see chapter 1, 9, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18. A Hero, The Ballad of Mulan, The River, Videshia Babu, Goodbye Parting Miss Pushpa, Guilty and The Listener. और ग्रामर में कम कर दिया हूँ, बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स हटा दिया हूँ. चैप्टर 4
सर सारे सब्जेक्ट का बता दो ना.
नहीं, अभी फिलहाल तो मैं नो
सर हिंदी का भी दिखा दो.
no
Yes, sir.
I can't do that. You just now from tomorrow onwards we will have a revision test, so you be prepared with two chapters, chapter 1 A Hero and chapter 9 The Ballad of Mulan. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. I am not in home.
Where are you going? Puri.
Sir,
Puri.
you can take screenshot.
Okay, so there will be MCQ based test, so I don't see there will be any problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, can you please scroll it
You
down?
have searched meme of the year in Google.
I'm not getting actually what are you saying, Maulik?
Sir, you have searched meme of the year in Google. I am asking.
Oh, yes, meme of the year. Well, now in grammar you can see articles, the future tense, non-finite verb, active, passive, conjunction, preposition. And in writing, paragraph writing, formal letter writing. Okay, so revision starts. Okay, so you have to prepare 2 chapters from course book, A Hero and The Ballad of Mulan. Yes, can you tell me the main character of A Hero?
Swami.
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 Yes, correct. Very good. And hero of, अच्छा तो मुलानी है.
Sir, there is also a movie on Mulan.
Yes, Parsh actually is a flagship.
Sir, there is also a movie on Mulan.
Sir,
Yes, sir, I saw it.
There,
any idea when will our final exam will start?
एक्चुअली सबका वॉइस एक साथ आया ना, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कुछ.
Sir, he is asking that do you have any idea that when exam will start?
Okay, exam. Of course, it will be conducted in the month of March. ठीक है, most probably first week of March. If it is not in the first week, then of course from the second week of March. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which movie is that, Parsh?
Mulan.
Sir, Mulan.
Mulan and Disney.
Yes, sir. Disney Plus Hotstar
Yeah,
में
I
आई
have
मैं
seen
देख भी
it.
लिया.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
मैं भी देख ली.
Name our chapter.
Okay. So I must search for it. Well, so best of luck for the first revision test and be prepared. Okay. And question
Sir?
may be complicated. Yes.
Sir, which
Then copy.
Bye, sir.
There will be 2 type of tests. एक तो होगा MCQ जो आप काहूट में या गूगल फॉर्म में, और दूसरा होगा राइटिंग रिटन वाला. That I will ask you yourself.
chapters?
फाइनल में सर.
Okay, sir.
Of course, final में तो सब है. Likewise you did.
Which chapters?
A Hero, The Ballad of Mulan.